Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the stunning design of the Nourison 23-inch Rustic Brown with gray undertones ceramic pot table lamp, perfect for any bedroom, living room, dining room, or office space. This contemporary table lamp brings an earthy, organic vibe to your decor, featuring a beautifully crafted ceramic base with rustic brown tones and subtle gray undertones, paired with a classic beige shade. Standing at 23 inches tall with dimensions of 14 by 14 inches, this freestanding lamp is both stylish and functional, requiring a standard E26 bulb with a maximum of 100 watts and is LED compatible. The lamp is equipped with a 3-way rotary switch and a 60-inch cord, offering versatile lighting options to suit your needs. Minimal assembly is required, as you'll need to attach the finial, harp, and shade, but once assembled, it becomes a centerpiece in any room. To maintain its pristine look, simply dust or wipe it with a soft, dry cloth, avoiding abrasive cleaners. Illuminate your space with this exquisite lamp that effortlessly combines form and function, enhancing any interior with its warm, inviting glow. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.